family that was who?
The accused family. The accused family.
Who is the family in particular?
The wife, the brother.
I have not interviewed members of the accused person's family. And you did how many days to do so?
7 days ago.
So you need 7 days to interview them and also to finalize the report?
Yes.
Detailed report. All right.
Yeah.
And counsel for the accused?
Yes, Your Honor. We will be strongly opposed to.
Sorry, Mr.
This is Mr. Mango.
Mr. Mango.
Yes, Your Honor. We will strongly
There are no submissions, it's just making a statement, not...
we'll call it submissions, Your Honor, oral submissions. But be that as it may, Your Honor,
Yeah, the report is ready, that's it.
from the proceedings before you, Your Honor, we have perused your file. You gave strict directions as to the preparation of report that was within 14 days. The accused took plea on 4th of September before you, Your Honor, and Article 49(1)H guarantees that his right to be released on bail is a constitutional right. Your Honor, that right is not reached in probation report. From the sentiments by the probation officer, it is clear that this is a family. He has mentioned a brother, he has mentioned a wife, he has mentioned that needs to be interviewed. Your Honor, those are not prerogatives to this accused party being admitted on bail and bond, with or without.
I need the probation report to determine the bail terms.
The terms, Your Honor.
Yes. It's not that he is not, I'm not saying that he is not entitled to bail. I just need the report to...
Your Honor, bearing the
information about
circumstances,
him.
very well, bearing the circumstances that he has been behind in custody for the last 1 month, Your Honor. And the nature of those offences are those that are what we cannot term as, say, capital offences. Then we should expedite. Yes, that should be expedited.
The issue at hand.
Your Honor, that should be expedited.
He's saying he wants 7 more days.
Yeah, that is not taken. You are given 14, it's now a month,
So
more than a month. We come back tomorrow. If it's we come back tomorrow.
Your Honor, thank you so much. Your Honor, as a member of parliament for the accused person,
Yes.
and also an advocate for the accused person,
Yes.
Your Honor, I would just like to remind you about Article 52A, the right, the doctrine of innocence until one is proven guilty. And the essence of bail, Your Honor, is to secure attendance. Your Honor, your brother, Justice Ibrahim, talked about right to liberty. And being a person who had suffered in the hands of the then government, he said clearly, and I will quote him verbatim, seriatim, Your Honor, if you may allow. And he said that liberty, that he will never take liberty for granted, and that the court must interpret the Constitution of Kenya in enhancing the rights and freedoms granted and enshrined rather than in a manner that curtails them. He said that liberty is precious and one's liberty should not be denied. Liberty should not be taken for granted, and I still quote him. And he said, I will never take liberty for granted, and I know neither will Dr. Aminwa, having both experienced They have both experience in the meaning of detention without trial at a solitary confinement, which was at committee, Your Honor. And he said that he must interpret the Constitution, enhancing the rights and freedoms granted and enshrined in a manner that is not curtailing them. Your Honor, if I remind you about a Supreme Court case in India, Nehru Yadav versus the state, he said that absence of liberty causes a sense of emptiness. That liberty is the grammar of life. And even granting exorbitant bail amounts to denial of bail. So, Your Honor, the accused person, being a family person, the son is here. Where is he? The son is here, Your Honor.
Is the wife here?
The brother is also here.
This profession also saying you want the wife.
The wife is also here, Your Honor.
Yeah. And also, you want me to who also?
The two of them are here, I think.
The two are enough.
Yeah.
So, Your Honor, the point that I wanted to make is that the son was sent away from the university. As we speak, he can't go back because the dad is already in custody and he's been there for 30 days. And they're almost even starting examination, Your Honor. So, making Mr. Nyancha to be in custody because the intention is there. With your wisdom, we persuade the court that you grant Mr. Nyancha cash bail, and we will ensure that he attends court. And even if possible, Your Honor, you can release him on a personal bond. Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, just she had tried to say that she can do the same today if in court. So I believe the issue of 7 days should not arise now. They should be able to get in touch with the wife and the brother so that we have that report.
All right. This is the ruling of the court. I hear your sentiments?
You did give me audience, so I was even wondering.
Sorry, before I make a final ruling, what's your view?
These are my submissions.
Yes.
Denial of the denial of bond bail does not negate presumption of innocence.
I don't think, Vanessa.
We've not.
Sorry, we have not even reached there, in my view.
Okay.
Yes.
I pray that we
It is
start
about
with,
the probation
yeah, we
report.
start with the application. I pray the probation officer to be granted time. We should also look at the rights of the complainant in this case.
Also consider the rights of the complainants. And what else, Vanessa?
I think that's the one.
That's one. The probation officer attached to this court were given 14 days to do prepared report for the accused. However, the state is not ready today. No reason has been given for the delay. Since the wife and son of the accused are in court and the probation officer